We'll form a train.
Looks like a tornado or a straight line wind blew the facade off. And as soon as we heard about it through social media, they had took pictures. We could tell it was just the facial facade, which is more cosmetic than it is anything else. It's all cosmetic. We can be hopefully open tomorrow if I get enough help. You know, it depends on how the employees fared themselves. But all in all, we're blessed.
All right.
I've been through a lot of hurricanes around New Bern. You know, we seem like we have some about every other year, if not every year. The storm surge was the craziest thing. The winds, were always kind of going to be tough, and depending on what hits where, what hit tree, what goes down. But all in all, it was about the scariest one I've been through.